I guess it's time for me to wake up, but at least I get to see my best friend Angelica. So let me get dressed, eat, and then brush my teeth. This headband or this headband? I think I'm gonna take this one, yeah. Now I'm gonna get breakfast. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Isla. I don't want you to stress, but you gotta hurry up because we're late. Okay. I'm done. Okay, go brush your teeth now. You ready? Oh, yeah, I am. Let's go. I was waiting. You're so slow. No, I was not. Now let's go. Ugh, you're so annoying. Now come on, or else we're gonna be late because of you. Oh, it stopped raining. Okay, perfect. See you after school. Bye. Ugh, bye, I guess. I'll wait for Angelica here. Oh, hi, Isla. Why didn't you go put your bag away? Oh, yeah, I completely forgot. Thank you for reminding me. So, how was your weekend? It was great. How about you? It was good. I went to the mall. What did you buy? Oh, the bell rang. Well, see you after first period. Bye. Okay, bye.